Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to see how to make pepper rasam or Milagu Rasam as it is popularly referred to in South India. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have soaked in about a lemon size of tamarind, and I've soaked it in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes and extracted the juice. Here for crushing I have taken about a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Because this is pepper rasam, we will have a little bit more of pepper, so I have taken about 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper. Here I have about a handful of coriander leaves, a sprig of curry leaves, and one tomato which we will squeeze out and put it in tamarind water and boil it. Now let's start to make the rasam. I've taken tamarind water in a pan. We will take the tomatoes and squeeze them a little with a hand. You can squeeze them nicely. The benefits of this rasam are immense. When you're having cold, if you're having runny nose, even if you're having fever, it is comfort food. The pepper helps you in digestion. It is rich in antioxidants. See, we have roughly squeezed out the tomatoes in the tamarind water. You can add a sprig of curry leaves. Add a pinch of turmeric. Salt to taste. And a pinch of asafoetida. And allow this mixture to boil for about 10 minutes. By the time our rasam boils, we can ground the spices. So take cumin seeds for aroma, whole black pepper. So have a nice mortar and pestle. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can do that in a blender, but make sure to make a coarse powder, not a very fine powder. See, I've crushed the black pepper and cumin seeds into a coarse powder. The consistency should be somewhat like this. Also crushed one clove of garlic, roughly. Don't need to crush it very smoothly. Let's have a look at our rasam now. See, our rasam is boiling nicely. This is the time you can add your pepper rasam powder, freshly ground pepper rasam powder. Just simmer the flame a little. Rasam should never be boiled on a high flame. Also put in the crushed garlic. Give it a little mix. Add a little bit of water along with this. You can add as much water as you like because the flavor of the masala will be really strong. Allow this rasam to froth up once. Should not allow it to come to a rolling boil. That's the secret behind cooking a good rasam. So we'll allow this to froth up. It should take roughly about 5 minutes or so. See, I've allowed the rasam to froth up. It has come to a nice texture in about 5 minutes. We can prepare the tempering by then. I have put in about 1 teaspoon of ghee. Rasam should always be tempered in ghee. About half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Red chili. few cumin seeds, and a pinch of asafoetida. Switch on the and pour this tempering over the rasam. Make sure not to waste any of this tempering. Now see how our rasam looks. It's beautiful. I wish I could show you the aroma in this video somehow. We'll switch off the flame now, and our pepper rasam is ready to serve with hot boiling or steamed rice. Thanks guys for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel.